Hello guys, welcome once again to my another video. So today I'm going to tell you about the lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere because this is the continuation of our first topic, that is earth, that was earth. And you have, if you not watched that video, you must fastly go and watch it now, because if you do not watch that, then you can't see this too. If you know about the earth and what is lithosphere, hydrosphere, they're also given. If you know about that, that's good, but you have to watch it from starting so that you can learn easily. So today I am going to do continuation of that onwards, and about the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere I am going to tell you today. So let's get started. So our first, that is lithosphere. The sphere is not sphere, okay, it's sphere. The sphere in which we live is known as lithosphere. That also I told you in my first that earth topic, that the elements which got transformed into solid are known as lithosphere, and that solid onwards we tell that we live means we live where we live on land onwards, land, okay. So land, I told you that time also that land is known by the lithosphere. So you must check out that video so that you can understand. So what is said that litho means rock and sphere means layer. Next is the upper layer of earth is made of soil and solid materials like rock. Okay, the upper layer of the earth is made of soil and the solid materials like rock. Means the upper layer of the earth is made of soil, and what are the solid materials? Like a rock. That is said. Approximately 29% of the surface. Here C will come, okay, CE. Approximately 29% of the surface is covered with lithosphere. The earth, this is earth, no sorry, earth, no, in that out of 100 full percent, the 29% is covered by with lithosphere. This layer is almost 64 kilometer to, sorry, your one is forgotten. Sorry, there 100 will come, not 00. Yet 64 kilometer to 100 kilometer thick. The layer, this layer in which the lithosphere is covered, is 64 kilometer to 100 kilometer thick. The thickness of the lithosphere is not the same everywhere on earth. Yes, means it is not this is the thickness of the lithosphere, but it is not same in the everywhere of the earth. So let's move to our next topic, that is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the liquid component on the earth. I told only to you that the hydrosphere means the water, the ocean where the water is available, the liquid component, okay, on the earth. It includes the oceans, lakes, seas, ponds and rivers, etc. It means, let's start again from the beginning once again. The hydrosphere is the liquid component on the earth. It means you all know that this liquid component means anything. Water, which is liquid, water, then what we can say, the milk, the oils, everything that are liquid component, okay. It includes the ocean, lakes, seas, ponds, rivers. This all contains the water, okay. The area of water is more than that of land. Land means, again I am asking, land means lithosphere. Remember, okay? Don't get confused in everything. Lithosphere. And water means hydrosphere. A water body in hydrosphere that carries a huge amount of water is known as ocean. Now here define a scheme of the ocean. These are the defines, and defines are also important in the English language. These oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. These are the four oceans. There are total four oceans that are this Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, and Indian. All these oceans are connected with. So let's again start with the first topic, first point. The sphere of air that wraps the earth from all sides is called atmosphere. The earth is there, and from all the sides the earth air is moving, which we cannot see, is called atmosphere. I had told this before also, that the elements which got transformed into gases are called atmosphere. It extends approximately up to 1600 km thick. 1600 km from the surface of earth. So in the previous slide also you've seen now that the lithosphere is extended about 64 km to 100 km thick. Its layer, okay? It cannot be seen with naked eye. Yes, it cannot be seen directly. The air is moving all around, but we can't see it. But we can see the lithosphere and the hydrosphere, the water and the land. Atmosphere is composed of various gases. Gases you must be known like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxides. Many gases are there. It will be also learnt in the science. Water vapor and dust particles, smoke, salt and microorganisms, etc. Atmosphere is composed of various, you can't imagine. Everything is moving in the atmosphere, the gases, okay? Atmosphere is colorless, odorless and transparent. We can't see the atmosphere of the color. Okay, solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in the atmosphere. Yes, it is. It contains approximately 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. Okay. So here oxygen spelling is wrong. Here I will not come, here Y will come. 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. Here Y will come, okay. I not come, Y will come. And 1% other gases. Out of 100% oxygen is available around the earth. From it 70% nitrogen is there, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases like carbon dioxide and all. Okay, and you had already learned in the hydrosphere. Can you tell me what is the amount of hydrosphere in the earth's surface, how much it covers down? Type in the comment section. I will be really see what is your answer, and I already told in my previous slides also. And also the lithosphere, how many percent of the surface of the earth is covered with lithosphere? You have to give me answer of these two questions. Okay, check out now onwards. You should type now, and the answer is approximately 29% is covered. Approximately 29% is covered with lithosphere and 71% is covered with hydrosphere. So when you count it, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry over, 2 plus 7, 9, 1 carry over. It's total 100%. You observed it. The 100% is carried out with the atmosphere, but that both are also included in the atmosphere, that is also 100%. I think you are learning very clearly, you are understanding very clearly, and I hope so that also. I want to tell you thank you guys for watching this video, and of course it took very much time. I would like to tell you, it took very much time to edit the videos, to upload the videos. For me it took very much time to edit it very clearly. So please watch it till the last, and please subscribe my channel so that you can learn many different topics about it. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notifications. Okay, and like my channel, please, please, please. If you like, if you understood, then don't forget to like also. That's for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, you liked my channel. Then please like, click on the button like, and that's for today. Bye, guys.